Okay, so ito pa po class, meron pa tayong another topic today. So kasi hindi ko na ito magagawa kapag medyo nagkaklase na. So ang topic natin today is about logarithmic equation. So presentation to ng group 3 dati nung last 2024. So discuss ko lang ulit. So learning objectives natin, define logarithmic equation. Number 2 is provide example of logarithmic equation. Then number 3, provide certain answer problems for students and practice. May sarili silang learning objectives, ano? So, first, kailangan natin i-define ang logarithmic equation. Logarithmic equation is one variable. Is an equation involving logarithms of the form of logarithmic of n base b, kung saan meron siyang exponent x, where b is a positive real numbers. So, yung base niya is a positive real number and b is not equal to 1. So, is not equal to 1 po ang ating base na nakalagay doon sa ating logarithm. Exponential to logarithm. Pag sinabing exponential class, alam naman natin yung 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. 10 raised to 3, ilang beses daw pong imumultiply natin yung 10. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. 25 raised to 1 half. So, ibig sabihin niyang class, 25 raised to 1 half, magkakaroon siya ng negative. Kaya yan naging 1 half kasi negative ang kanyang naka-square. So, that's why ang magiging value niyan is 5. And then, ang 4x natin is equal to 16. 4 raised to 2 is equal to 16. So, 7 raised to 2 is equal to 49. Ngayon, yung 2 raised to 2, para maging logarithmic equation, magkakaroon siya ng logarithmic. Dadagdagan mo lang siya ng logarithmic base 2, 4, yung pinakasagot. Tapos yung naka-raise niya is 2. Kaya yan, logarithmic of 4 base 2 is equal to 2. Yan yun. Then, pagdating naman dito, logarithmic of 1,000 base 10 is equal to 3. Naka-raise yan ng 3 dun sa 10. Ito. Tapos, logarithmic of 25 base 5 is equal to 1 half. Logarithmic of 16 base 4 is equal to x. Kung saan yung x na yon is equal to what? 4 raised to 2 is equal to 16. Logarithmic of 49 base 7 is equal to 2. 7 raised to 2 is equal to 49. Exponential to logarithmic. Ibig sabihin, lagyan mo lang ng logarithmic yung ating pinakasagot, tapos naka-base ng 2, tapos exponent niya is 2. Exponential to logarithm. Okay? So, check nyo kung paano yung ginawa. I-practice nyo bago kayo mag-proceed sa solving problem. Kasi dapat malaman nyo kung paano ginawa yung exponential to logarithm. Meron may mga example na nakalagay logarithmic to exponential. Tapos may naman nakalagay exponential to logarithm. Pwede nyo i-practice yun bago kayo mag-proceed. Uulitin ko lang. Pag sinabing exponential, multiplying by itself yung number. So, 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Pagdating naman ng logarithm, yung kanyang pinakasagot, nakatabi sa ating logarithm, tapos nakabase yung ating, yung kanyang exponent. Okay? 2 raised to 2. Base niya is 2 raised to 2. Ang pinakasagot is 4. Yung pinakasagot, katabi mismo ng ating logarithm, tapos may base siya. Tapos yun yung exponent niya, yung nakalagay dun sa ating right side. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa solving problem. Logarithmic of 2x base 4 is equal to logarithmic of 10 base 4. Ngayon, in solving problem, kailangan daw magparehas muna yung value ng bawat isa. So, siguro, kapag ako gumawa uli ng problem, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung bakit naging ganito to, imamano-mano natin. Pero since ito ay may slide as in, nandito na yung pinaka-final answer, I hope na maintindihin po natin kung anong sinasabi ko. So, dito class, since ito ay logarithmic of 2x, base 4 is equal to logarithmic of 10 base 4. Kailangan daw yung value ng x natin, since parehas sila ng logarithmic base 4. Okay? So, hindi na natin, iset aside na natin yon. So, kasi ang kailangan natin yun to solve the value of x. Ngayon, since parehas yan, ang ibaba mo na lang class yung 2x. Tapos, ang nakalagay dito, since parehas nga ito, hindi na natin binaba. So, ang binaba na lang natin is 10. Ngayon, to get the value of x, so para naman tayo kung yung dati natin naging topic, to get the value of x, you need to tanggalin natin yung katabi ng x, you need to divide by 2, and then natin sa kabila. So, ang x natin, 10 divided 2 is 5. So, ang value ng x natin, ang logarithmic, nasa unit sila ng base is equal to 5. Okay? So, next natin is ito class. Logarithmic of 5x base 5 yon, x plus 8 is equal to 3. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, since ito ay kailangan nating hanapin si value ng x, logarithmic of 5x. So, ang gagawin natin, iwanan natin yung ating logarithmic of 5. Sa next natin, x plus 8. Tapos yung 5 natin doon, naka-raise down ng 3. Ibig sabihin, yung base 5 natin, ito yung exponent. Di po ba sabi ko, ang exponent natin ay lagi nasa right side. So, yung x plus 8 na yun, baba natin. Tapos 5 raised to 3 is equal to 125. Tapos, since kailangan lang natin ikunin si value ng x, yung x dito, lipat natin si positive 8, magiging negative 8. So, 125 minus 8 is equals to 117. To get the value of x on this equation. Okay? So, next. Alam nyo class, kung ako sa inyo, ulit-ulitin nyo yung video. Kung hindi nyo naiintindihan sa una, ulit-ulitin nyo para mas maintindihan. Kasi hindi ako nag-actual talaga solving dito. Kaya medyo, andito na yung final answer. Pero kung ito ulit-ulitin nyo to get the value of x, madali nyo maintindihan. Okay? So, ito ulit, logarithmic of 16 base x is equal to 2. So, ulit, yung x natin is the base, x raised to 2. Ito yung exponent is equal to 16. So, x raised to 2 is equal to 16. So, yung 16 na yan, ayun. Since ito ay naka-raise daw. So, anong gagawin natin? Anong gagawin natin? Dalawang beses, lipat mo doon. So, dahil dalawang beses siya, naka-raise siya ng 2, mangyayari niyan is x plus 4 to get the value of 16. Okay? So, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. Kasi x squared minus 16. Ito kasi, di ba class, kapag sinabing x squared minus 16, di po ba siya ay perfect binomial? That's why kailangan natin i-factor siya. So, ang factor nito ay x plus 4 at x minus 4. So, ang value ng x natin ay x minus 4 at x equal to 4. X is equal to negative 4 at x is equal to positive 4. Okay, class. Alam niyo, class, pwede niyo itong i-checking. Makukuha niyo yung value mismo. Using the original equation. Okay? Next po natin ay logarithmic of 36 base n is equal to 2. So, 8, ang base natin is n raised to 2 is equal to 36. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, yung n natin raised to 2 is equal to 36. So, anong gagawin natin? Dahil daw yan ay, so alam nyo, mali lang to. Hindi ganito dapat, hindi nakapasok to. Pero tama yung final answer niya kasi raised to 2 natin yung 36 is equal to negative 6 and positive 6. Okay? So, next natin. So, recap natin yung laws of logarithm. Pag sinabi logarithmic, yung first law natin. So, open nyo na lang yan. Logarithmic of a plus. Pag sinabing plus, you need to multiply the a and b. Nakakita tayo ng addition. Pero, ibig sabihin, ang sum up niyan is, you need to multiply the logarithmic of a times b. Pag sinabi naman na exponential, meron tayong coefficient first. Pag sinabi namang subtraction, division yun. Pag sinabi namang yung third law of laws ng ating logarithm, makapansin nyo na lang, meron tayong may nakalagay na coefficient, yun yung power na, or the third laws na yan. Okay, check ko na lang yan. Since meron naman siguro kayong libro, just ano na lang, comment na lang kung ano yung kailangan natin ipakita dyan. So, practice example, problem number 1, logarithmic of 6x squared raised to 2 is equal to x plus 30. Ngayon, try to practice to by use the laws of logarithm. Masosolve nyo to. So, ito ay mga, may multiplication, may division ba? Wala. Oo, meron. So, ayan. Try to solve this practice example. Then, comment nyo lang kung ano yung hindi naintindihan. Tapos, gagawa natin ang next video para po tayo mismong actual na mag-solve. Thank you po sa panonood. Salamat.